Hello, this is Kimberly O'Neill with the Regis University Library. Today I'm going to talk about the basics of using Mendeley. Mendeley was created by three German PhD students and named for both Gregor Mendel and Dmitry Mendeleev. It's produced by Elsevier and it's used for sharing and managing papers, collaborating with your peers on various subjects that you may be researching. With the Mendeley subscription, you get 2 gigabytes of free storage, and you can add more at a cost. Mendeley has a PDF viewer for documents where you can highlight text and read on screen. You can search the full text across papers that are saved to the database. There are many social networking features available through the Mendeley website, and there are phone apps for Mendeley. In using Mendeley, you'll need to do three things. You'll need to download the Mendeley Desktop app, the importer software, and the MS Word plugin, all available through the Mendeley Desktop or the Mendeley website. Let's take a look at the Mendeley Desktop. So here you see the view with a left sidebar where the navigation exists, the centerpiece, which includes the content and articles that you've downloaded, and then on the right there is the information regarding each article, including the data for the journal title, the abstract, tags which are like subject headings for that article, and so on. You'll see here on the top bar there's buttons to do different functions, and these are duplicated in several ways. So here you see a button where you can add files, add a folder to your navigation, a watch folder, and add items manually. There is an add folder button, a delete folder button. This button here recommends related documents within the Mendeley database. Periodically you'll want to sync your Mendeley collection so that articles you download appear both in the web version and the desktop version of the software. Some of these features are mirrored on the top in this top bar here as well. So let's look further at some of the functions of the Mendeley Desktop. So you may notice here that I have some folders created for different research projects. So if you want to create a new folder for your research, click Create Folder, highlight here, and type in the name of the folder, and there it appears. So now I can add documents to this folder if it's highlighted on the screen. If I have an item in print, perhaps, and I want to add the information manually to any particular folder, I can simply click on the Add Manual Entry button, and you'll see different screens will show up for different types of media. So if I want to enter book information, I can select that template. If it's a conference proceeding, the template appears as here. And then all the fields are editable. And once you've completed that, simply click Save, and it will save to your folder as highlighted. You'll notice the further features up above that you can look at on your own time, but one of the important ones is the citation style. So you'll see here, if I mouse over citation style, the variety of styles available to me is listed here. However, if I happen to need a style that I don't see, I may install it from another resource. So to do that, you click More Styles. You can see the styles that are installed. Click Get More Styles to find a style that is not already installed. Simply choose your style, click Use this style, and done. You'll then see that that style does show up in the citation style list after it's been added. Another feature you may want to use is the Check for Duplicates feature to make sure that you don't have duplicate items listed under the same citation. So under Tools, after you've selected the folder you want, here I'm selecting my Library and Articles folder, Tools, then check for duplicates, and it shows you the duplicates in my folder. So in some cases, the journal article may have come from two different sources. So if I look over here, I can see whether there's a conflict between the two downloaded articles. If not, I can simply confirm merge. When I look at the second one, this one shows that the duplicate does have conflicting fields. So I simply look at the checkboxes here. And when I see a checkbox that isn't clicked, I can choose to check that as well so that it matches up with the other citation source. And then I can confirm merge. This just eliminates clutter from your own Mendeley database. Now we'll go on to part 2, where I'll be showing you how to download different literature to the Mendeley database.